Hi guys, this is Katrina Gonzalez and welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, this is my very first time to really document something that I did para i-share sa inyo as a video. As you saw sa title, this video is gonna be all about Nutri-Meal with intermittent fasting. My goal is to lose weight 3 days. Ayan. So, is it gonna be possible? Please make sure that you finish this video para you will see my daily activities for 3 days and the result in the end. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or you have any whatsoever comments. To start, what is intermittent fasting muna? So, intermittent fasting, it's fasting na makikita ninyo marami ng mga YouTube uploads about it. Yung iba ginagawa nila 12 hours, yung iba naman ang ginagawa nila 16 hours, yung iba naman 20 hours. So, paano yun? Personally, ang gusto kong gawin for this video is yung 16 hours fasting plus 2 meals. So, dun sa 16 hours, no food, only pwedeng water or black coffee. Tapos, dun sa 8-hour window, dun lang pwedeng kumain. So, yun yung intermittent fasting na gusto kong gawin. And if you want to know more about intermittent fasting, pwede kayong mag-research din about it. Based from dun sa mga videos and dun sa mga vlogs or yung mga ibang articles na nakita ko, intermittent fasting is really very effective. Plus, sinabayan ko siya ng Nutri-Meal. So, what is Nutri-Meal ba? Nutri-Meal is actually a 10-day reset plan. 5 days or 10 days, it's a reset plan. It's to jumpstart, lalo na dun sa mga taong kagaya ko na gustong-gustong mag-diet pero hindi alam kung paano mag-start. So, yun yung sa Nutri-Meal. So, Nutri-Meal is a low glycemic meal. At the same time, it's gluten-free. But of course, it was made in a facility na nagpo-produce din ng food na may mga gluten din. But it was produced gluten-free. Nutri-Meal is not just for people who wants to lose weight. It's also for people who wants to just maintain a healthy meal. Like for example, yung mga tao na on the go, mga early meetings or appointments. Minsan, di ba, magda-drive-thru na lang tayo or ang gagawin natin is magta-take out na lang sa fast food. So, syempre, alam naman natin na hindi healthy yun. So, ang ibang ginagawa nila is Nutri-Meal na lang yung ginagawa nilang on-the-go breakfast or lunch. At the same time, pwede rin siya sa mga taon who wants to gain weight naman. So, obviously, I don't need to gain weight. Yung mga tao na gustong mag-gain ng weight, so ang ginagawa lang nila is to add Nutri-Meal. Like, for example, gagawin nilang dessert or drink, basta with meal siya. At the same time, ang maganda kasi kay Nutri-Meal, masarap siya. So, it has strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. But my most favorite is the chocolate flavor. I'm a chocolate lover. Lasa siyang Hershey's. Ayan. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko yung lasa niya. Ano ba yung mafe-feel natin kay Nutri-Meal? It will get rid of our carb cravings. At the same time, it helps in our metabolism. Also, it will correct our lifestyle. It has added vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's losing weight in a very healthy way. So, in this video, again, ginamit ko yung Nutri-Meal to lose weight. And per meal ng Nutri-Meal, it has 250 calories. But makikita ninyo sa video na to na 2 scoops lang yung ginamit ko instead of the 3 scoops na recommended because I'm small. Ayan. At saka, sobrang nabubusog ako pagka 3 scoops. So, 2 scoops lang ginamit ko. So, yun. Ready na ba kayo? Kasi ako ready na ako. So, I started my weight ng 58.7 kilograms. Mabigat, alam ko, para sa 5'1" lang na babae na katulad ko. The goal is actually 57 kilograms. So, sana talaga matapos na yung video para makita ninyo kung na-reach ba natin yung goal ko na 57 kilograms in 3 days. Please bear with me guys, pagpasensya nyo na ako kasi bago lang akong gumagawa ng video, hindi pa ako masyadong sanay. Baka meron akong mga nami-miss na mga importante na mga bagay. I hope that you enjoy this video. Let's do this!
Hi, good morning! It's Wednesday.
58.7 is my day 1 weight. Ang laki nun. So, from 56.7, ngayon 58.7. I have a lot of things to do today. Tinatakpan ko yung aking pimple. So, buti na lang may Celavive. And tip, don't ever touch your pimples. It's because I ate oily food, tsaka mga fried food, ayan. So, ayun, na-condition ko naman yung mind ko today. 3 days lang naman. I just want you guys to see kung ano yung effect ng Nutri-Meal plus intermittent fasting. Day 1, let's go, push! It's almost 1 p.m. and ngayon pa lang ako mag-first meal. I don't know, I don't feel hungry. Siguro dahil na-set ko yung mind ko that I'm gonna do the challenge today. Here you can see na meron tayong vanilla flavor and we also have the chocolate flavor. We also have the strawberry, pero ito lang yung available ko. My favorite is the chocolate flavor kasi ang sarap niya, lasang Hershey's. We must see to it that we also take our supplements kasi food is not enough na para ako personally, I don't wanna feel tired or mas hindi madaling magutom, ganyan. So I have my supplement with me. I take this essentials every single day and I'm gonna take it also with my Nutri-Meal of course. And my top most favorite optimizer is the Proflavanol C. Ayan, yung Proflavanol C natin, it's basically grapeseed extract. Pero ang maganda sa kanya is it has vitamin C. Kasi usually, di ba, kapag ka nagda-diet tayo, nagiging saggy, nagiging yung mga stretch marks, plus para tayong hindi fresh looking. So, ito yung makaka-help sa atin. Ayan. Tapos meron din akong ice, kasi gusto ko yung malamig na malamig. Parang lasa siyang shake talaga, milkshake. And ito yung nabili kong tumbler. So, nakita niyo marami ang tumbler. And meron tayong, ano ba tawag dito? Spring? Something. So, yun yung parang nagsha-shake sa loob. When you're gonna take your Nutri-Meal, see to it na lalagay mo muna yung water. Kasi iba nilalagay muna nila yung powder. Kaya mas mahirap siyang i-mix. So, lalagay ko na ito ulit sa loob. Ayan. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng hanggang sa 300. Ayan, 300 ml of water para mas rich siya. Lagyan natin yung scoops. Meron na rin siyang scoop sa loob. So, nakatansya na siya agad. So, this is my first meal. Ayan. So, 2 full scoops of Nutri-Meal. So, bango talaga siya. Lasa siyang Hershey's. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Sa chocolate lover ako. I love desserts. Kaya, swak na swak sa akin ng Nutri-Meal. Yan. Tapos, nalagay ko yung ice. Shake mo lang siya ng kasi tumakon siya. Tumalak! Ay! Yeah. Yun! Okay. So, isi-shake mo siya ng 45 seconds. So, yung vanilla, gusto rin ng iba na hindi masyadong mahilig sa chocolate. Some of my friends, they love vanilla. But for me, I really love chocolate. But I think I'm gonna get the strawberry too. It's done. It's that simple. And also make sure to, of course, take it with your supplements. I take 2 pairs of essentials. Tapos, 2 tablets of Proflavanol C. Let's try this. Super sarap talaga. First meal. And since lalabas ako today, I need to bring my baon. Very handy siya. It's perfect for people na busy, mga people na on the go. I'm gonna use all of this for the next 2 days more for my Nutri-Meal. Kasi same lang. So, it's very handy. There they are. So we just came home. There, I'm with my kids. Hi, so day 1 was okay. Ayan yung time. It's almost 10 p.m. I'm feeling okay. Meron pa rin akong energy kung paano yung energy ko talaga. Headache, wala. Hindi ako lightheaded. Ang maganda kay Nutri-Meal, tatanggalin niya din yung carb cravings mo. Pero since mahilig talaga akong kumain, kanina nung nasa SM kami, medyo pag nakakaamoy ako ng food, syempre medyo magki-crave ka din. But overall, day 1 was okay. Looking forward to day 2. So, ang last Nutri-Meal ko kanina was around 7:30. So, I'm gonna count kung ilang oras ako mag-fasting. So, see you tomorrow! Hi, good morning. It's our day 2. I'm not yet hungry. I'm just uhaw. As you can see, it's already 8:35, 8:37 a.m. I have been up since 6:30 kanina kasi I needed to prepare Kuya for school. Ayun, whenever you're going on a diet, you always have to make sure that you hydrate. Water is very, very important for us. You have to keep yourself hydrated. It's very healthy. So, I'm gonna drink water lang. I'm gonna have my first Nutri-Meal by 12 noon. So, yun. Day 2. Let's do this. Actually, hindi ko sure. Parang hindi ako medyo strict sa time. Hindi din ako kumakain ng ibang food kahit na fruits or vegetables from day 1. Ayan, honestly, hindi ako kumain ng kahit ano kasi I really want to detox. Kasi nung nasa Cebu kami, as in sobrang dami ko talaga kinain. Buffet breakfast every day. Imagine ilang days kami doon. Pagkatapos ng mag-buffet ka pa ulit or unlimited ka ulit ng lunch or dinner. First meal for today, siguro kahapon, nakita nyo, nag-chocolate ako. So ngayon, itry ko yung vanilla. Kasi medyo nainggit ako sa husband ko. He tried vanilla yesterday. And natry ko yung vanilla parang years ago na, 3 years ago. Ganyan. Pero, itry ko siya kasi parang I think nag-improve siya. Tama ba ako? Ngayon, sobrang bango niya. Ang bango, wala. Gusto ko siyang itry. Parang ngayon ko lang siya i-try yung vanilla. Ayan. Tapos you can add your fruits here. Kung gusto mo mag-blender, pwede mo siya i-blender talaga with your fruits. Like your strawberry, blueberries, kung ano yung gusto mo i-add. So, pwede yan. So, yan. 40 seconds, 40 to 45 seconds. With Nutri-Meal, you don't need to do strenuous activities pala. Ito na sabi kahapon. So, yun. Hindi mo kailangan mag-exercise ng bongga. Eh, ako, like, pag morning talaga, I do, nag-clean ako ng house, nag-delivery ng mga gamit, ganyan. So, yun yung talagang exercise ko na din. So, yan. So, ito yung ating vanilla. Ready na siya. So, yun. Masarap nga siya. Okay, you can try this later. Masarap nga siya! Ewan. Or baka nagbago na ako ng ano. Okay, pero masarap siya. Plus, don't forget your daily supplements. Again, I told you yesterday that I take 2 pairs of my essentials and also 2 pairs of my Flavanil C. So, essentials, it helps in your sleep din. Also helps in your metabolism, sa energy din, yun nga, bowel movement, at the same time sa skin, syempre. So, if we are healthy inside, mag-radiate talaga yan outside. Tapos yung Flavanil C natin again, it's really good for a tighter skin, for more glowing skin, lalo na pag nagda-diet ka, usually nagiging kalansay look, ganyan. Plus, with Nutri-Meal pala, hindi ka mag-LBM or hindi ka laging nasa banyo. So, yun pa yung difference ng Nutri-Meal. I'm gonna finish my Nutri-Meal, my first meal for the second day. Prepare na ako ngayon. Medyo masakit lang yung ulo ko. Siguro nagwi-withdraw from the sugar and oil and sa lahat. Pero yun, medyo masakit lang yung ulo ko. Hindi naman sobra, medyo lang. Tolerable
update
siya.
lang. It's past 3 p.m. I was not able to go out. I'm gonna do my business online today lang. Yun. Kasi sumakit yung ulo ko. Well, having headache during diets is highly normal kasi nag-a-adjust yung body ko. Sobrang dami naman kinain ko this past few days, tapos biglang diet, diba? So, it's normal. Ayun, I expected this, but it's still okay. It's tolerable. Okay lang siya. I mean, kung talagang, syempre, kung gusto mo mag-taste ganda, diba? Para ma-achieve yung weight loss na gusto natin. So, yeah, this is really a detox for me. I just wanna stay healthy rin. No, it's not just for me, it's for my family, for my husband, for my kids. We have to always keep in mind that health is wealth talaga.
I'm ready for my dinner. It's already 7:10 p.m. So yun, I'm gonna do this. Cooks ulit. Hi! Mommy mode today. Yes, so medyo nag-overfast ako. It's almost 2 p.m. It's my first meal for it's my first meal for day 3. So, ayan, dinala ko na lang siya. I'm gonna drink it here sa car. We're gonna attend Kuya Zach's what do you call that, Kuya? Parenting seminar. By the way, chocolate ako ulit. I love chocolate talaga. Guys! That's why hindi ako nagka-crave for sweets kasi masarap siya. Right? Pwede ko show si Daddy. Can I show Daddy? Yes? Yay! Pumayag siya! Okay! Hi! So it's day 3 dinner time. Ayokong magsinungaling. Kasi nagaya yung kids dito sa isang favorite restaurant nila here in Angeles. So, ayan, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat tonight. I will not take my day 3 dinner Nutri-Meal, but I'm gonna eat this lang, yung sides natin na radish. Ano to? Kangkong? Kangkong and salad. So there, that's gonna be my dinner for day 3. It's our last day today. And then we're gonna see my weight tomorrow. So there, guys. Yes. Ready to check my weight for the final day for our 3-day challenge. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Let's see. Okay. Yay, guys! 56.5. So there you have it, guys. Mission accomplished tayo from 58.7 to 56.5 as of today. Alam ko na marami pa akong kailangan ma-lose kasi medyo mabigat pa rin ako. But you know, Nutri-Meal is really the best way to jumpstart. Lalo na doon sa mga, alam nyo na, sa ating mga mommies na minsan hindi natin alam kung paano natin i-start yung ating diet. At the same time, it's really losing weight in a very healthy way. In whatever diet that you choose, make sure that you are losing weight in a very healthy way. Of course, diet modification, lalo na yung healthy meal, plus exercise are really the most important para maging healthy tayo kasi again, health is wealth, diba? Plus, we have to do something today that our future selves will thank us for. Wala naman masamang kumain ng kumain at wala din naman masamang maging healthy, diba? So, yun, masarap talagang kumain pero lahat dapat in moderation lang talaga. Kailangan titignan natin, susubaybayan natin, i-check natin kung ano yung mga kinakain natin kasi syempre, we are what we eat, diba? So, yun. And never ever forget to have fun in whatever you are doing. So, syempre, kahit na nagda-diet ka, kailangan masaya ka pa rin. You have to always be positive, diba? Kasi baka mamaya nagda-diet ka, tapos malungkot ka. So, syempre, hindi rin naman maganda yon. Dapat talagang willing ka to lose weight or to gain weight or kung whatever man yan, kailangan happy ka pa rin. Kasi mas marami tayong na-accomplish na goals once we love what we are doing. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Before I forget, gusto ko nga palang magbigay ng giveaway. So, ang ibibigay ko are Nutri-Meal with blender bottle. Paano ko mamimili? Just leave a comment in our comment box below. Tell me why you need Nutri-Meal or why you want to try it. Tapos mamimili ako dun sa mga mag-answer. Please share this also to your friends na alam mo na magbe-benefit din with Nutri-Meal. I would love to know your journey din, your weight loss journey. Please leave me a comment here. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for finishing this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.